All right, this is paper airplane. This is from the top going down. We climbed up from the bottom, which is Woody's, where you normally start. Bird. Pheasants or quail, probably. Oh yeah. You have to like hold your speeds in here. Oh, if you want to clear it all. Makes it a little easier to flow through. Slow down a little too much there. Not bad. Oh yeah. Bike is running really good today. When we climbed up this, pretty much hero dirt. Hopefully it recorded. I'm not sure what happened, but GoPro gave me a weird beep that I haven't heard before. I had to restart the video, so hopefully you guys didn't miss out on the front part of it. It's good. It's really good. Paper is called this trail is called Paper Airplane. And someone has this humongous metal paper airplane built on it. I'm assuming like some type of art, but it's pretty cool. You'll see it. Yeah. It does have a couple switchbacks on it. Kind of gotta be careful. For that reason right there. Because they sneak up on you when you don't think they're coming. I don't ride this trail a lot, but there's a few of those where you just get hauling. And the switchback is basically, yeah. Switchback is kind of at the end of just a super fast section. There's like 4 or 5 of them total. Forgot about this short little climb in the middle here. Man, I forget how fun this trail is. There's just so many good trails in Utah to ride. Such a great place to own a mountain bike. Woo. And there she is. Paper airplane in all its infinite glory. Like I said, humongous paper airplane built up here in the mountains. I don't know, it's probably 50 feet long, maybe 40 feet. And there's my bike for reference. There's the back side. Just a big paper airplane. Well, metal airplane. Yibbity. That trail to the left is what you come down on when you ride this trail the other way. It's a little steep there. Then you get a little bit more further down the line here.